that you doing the work in the grind isn't the end. That once you do the work, you got to not only sow the seeds, but you got to come back and reap the seeds. What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to Faith Like That, a Christian ministry that is dedicated to helping you live a clean life for Christ and to live that life abundantly. We want you not just to have faith, but to have applied faith working in your life, the kind of faith that can move mountains. We are so glad to have you here with us today. Once again, if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to our channel first. I was going to say but let's do subscribe to our channel so you can know when videos come out. Hit that bell icon. We want you to stay informed, stay in contact with us, come out and spend some time with us when we do the things that we do. Also, at any point in the video, even now, if you just like our mission and our concept, or you like the video at any point in the video, smash that like button. The like button tells YouTube this is good content, play it for other people, but it will also start to show you more content of this type, not just our channel, but other channels too. So smash that like button. All right, so I've been posting some stuff for you all lately. Most of it's been like verse of the day kind of stuff, or maybe some prayers here and there. There's also a Facebook group. I'll put the link to the Facebook group down below so you can join that. That's for a series that's coming up pretty soon about prayers and testimonies, and along with one of our partners, Filmed It Video Productions. We will be doing some video along with those testimonies, especially with people that submit them and are okay with us turning it into sort of a short film. So please do join that Facebook group and contribute there. We would love to hear from you there. We would love to hear your testimonies, the prayers you want us to pray for you, or even prayer reports of prayers being answered. So check for that down in the description below. Today I want to talk to you about reaping and sowing. I got my water bottle here in the way. It's Texas. It's hot. It's the summertime, so you already know the deal, but let me get a little water. All right, so I was watching something the other day. It was a podcast. I'm one that's big on continuing to develop myself. I got a college degree. Matter of fact, I got 3 college degrees. I got recognition, I got experience in a lot of different fields, but I feel like when you stop learning, that's when you start to die and you start to get passed by. So I develop myself. I like to motivate myself, keep myself in the right mindset. So I always listen to different podcasts, different authors, motivators, just try to learn different things. I'm getting a lot better at Spanish. I can survive in Mexico, but I'm not conversational yet, but I'm working on that. I'm learning piano. I just like to learn different things. But I was listening to something the other day, and someone said that you doing the work and the grind, because you got to grind if you're going to make it anywhere, right? That you doing the work and the grind isn't the end. That once you do the work, you got to not only sow the seeds, but you got to come back and reap the seeds. And I say that, and it sounds like, yeah, that makes sense. But let me go into this a little further. And shout out to the men's group I'm in. As a matter of fact, it looks like that our group will be starting to have some of these discussions that we have with us. That's helped us tremendously with you all on YouTube. So you can be part of that and even comment on that. Hopefully we can start doing some of those live so you can see those too. But I was talking with the men's group about this too. You gotta sow and reap. Yeah, that makes sense. But let me put it in terms of business. That as a business owner or entrepreneur, yeah, it takes work to go out and do this work to grow a business. But you gotta sow the seeds for the business in your development, in your belief, and so forth. Do the work to grow the seed or the business, right? So it'll become something, which is not easy work. And a lot of us are there. We need to start growing and stop just talking about it and believing for it, but start doing something to get there. It shows our level of faith and belief in ourselves and what we're doing. But then let's take it a step further, that once you grow the business, farmers grow things with the intention of uprooting them or tearing them down to make them of use for something. That I grow it, and it's just as much work now to go out and get my money or the product or the result or the revenue or the harvest as it is to do the work. Yeah, man. That's big, isn't it? And I never thought of it that way. That me being an entrepreneur, someone who likes to learn about and plan for and launch startups and work on those, that as a business, I am taking care of this thing and working for it with the sole purpose of tearing it down. And me tearing it down is what's going to get me what I want out of the thing. Ain't that something? That's big, man. And we talked about it as a group of just how big that is to think about it, that yeah, we're working towards some of these things, but we're only working to tear them down and to reap the harvest. And a lot of us are not trained in that aspect of it. We understand how to do work and work for other people. We understand that we need to believe now. We may even got to the point where we're starting to do the work and we're starting to grind. But the conversation of how I go back and pick up my money is a different conversation, right? It's something that we're not all taught, and honestly, it's not even the same for every industry. That in real estate is different than what I do on YouTube, or YouTube is different from church. That a lot of these things aren't the same. So how do I tell you to go back and get your money now? I don't even know how you do it, and I may not even be fully aware of how I do it, right? And then I also thought, like, as a Christian, it says in the Bible that the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the righteous, right? That it clicked and dawned on me that somewhere along the line, there might be a wicked person. I don't want to put that on anybody, but say for the saying, there might be a wicked person that may not even know how to grow and sow and do the things to grow the business, but they are skilled in knowing how to reap and reap where they did not sow. Right? So then you got people that have our wealth because it's laid up for us, because it was ours in the first place. But as soon as we figure out how to go back and get it, it can be yours now, right? That's all that's missing. Yeah, you got the grind down, you got the belief down, but now you need to learn how to go back and get yours, and only you can go get it. That was just so motivating for me, inspirational, and I wanted to share that with you. And also the news about, the Facebook group and our men's group that might be on this channel or wherever it might be. I'll be a part of that too, and we'll be talking, maybe some great insight, some great motivation. Ladies, women, wives, I want you to know that a lot of times your men, they won't go to counseling, but they will talk to other men or listen to other men about what's going on, and it helps tremendously. So get ready for that. Get ready to plug into that group. And again, thank you for coming and spending some time with me. Until the next video, the next prayer video, the next verse of the day, the next teaching. I can't wait to see you there. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon if you want to know when our new videos are coming out. Also, if you're still here, I believe that you like this video. Go ahead and smash that like button, because it helps our channel out tremendously to get the message out and the work that we're doing. And again, thank you for coming and spending this time with me as I'm talking loud, not sweating that bad today here on YouTube, but I had a great time and I wanted to be inspired too. But thanks for coming out. Till next time, we'll see you around.